Hello, I would like to thank Unified Mentor for this wonderful opportunity. During this internship, I got hands on experience with key tools and topics like data analysis with machine learning, Python, and visualization tools. It helped me understand how real world projects are approached, especially in terms of cleaning data, exploring insights, and drawing meaningful conclusions. Yeah, I really liked how the tasks were structured to build both technical and analytical thinking. This experience boosted my confidence and helped me strengthen my portfolio. I am grateful for this opportunity and I look forward to applying these skills in my future roles. Thank you once again, Unified Mentor.